everybody. Okay. So right now I'm going to Mohammad Road. In the menu part, we are keep the live counter. You can say the live counter. We have a gurda kaleji and chicken baida paratha and bhuna, chicken bhuna. You can see the sami kebab and chicken sikapur on the non-veg part. And the veg part, you can see the veg keema pav, veg keema pav, veg keema pav, and you can see the sami kebab, corn sami kebab, and matar palak ki tikki. Is a very favorite item of all the vegetarians. And we go to on the main course. We have a ghost nahari, and we have a chicken angara, and very special of Jam Pulao. Jam Pulao is a more colorful meat. Color of meat of Jam Pulao. Jam Pulao is we have 4-5 type of meat of Jam Pulao. And we this kind of we have a mutton balls, chicken, and eggs of colorful of Jam Pulao. Very special of this. You can try it and say about the Jam Pulao. What is saying? And you can try in the Weber grill. We have a run on mutton run. We have a in the Weber grill. You can see the live carving of lamb of chunks. You can enjoy the meat also.